Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, I gave a bit of a teaser. I had this box in front of the camera, but I never opened it. Well, it contains my first ever Zippo that I purchased off of Zippo Canada's website. And it is the Canada 65th anniversary collectible. So let's do this. Let's open it up in front of camera. Bear with me, I am not very good at multitasking, so let's see how this goes. Interesting. Standard box. As expected, comes with a butane fuel canister and the standard Zippo lighter fluid. This one is 4 fluid ounces. We have a couple of packets of Flint. Oops, sorry. And finally, we have the lighter. Let's open our beautiful. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. So this is it. This is a lighter. Looks really nice. So open it up. We have B14. So February 2014, Niagara Falls, Ontario. Very neat. Very cool. I'll put that here for now. As you can see, it's unfired. Looks nice. Starting to get some fingerprints up there. Let's see when the insert was made. Also B14. Fantastic. Well, there you go, guys. This is my unboxing of my first ever Zippo purchase. And this one was bought off of Zippo Canada's website. Thanks for tuning in, guys.